Wondering how to help your child grow taller? Isn't it amazing to think about a diet that supports healthy growth in kids? Introducing Height Boost, a comprehensive diet plan designed to promote growth. It focuses on incorporating proteins, minerals, vitamins, and healthy carbs. Height Boost ensures balanced nutrition for your child's development. How it works: by providing essential nutrients that support muscle development and bone development. Plus, it includes energy-rich foods that keep kids active and healthy. Improved growth, stronger bones, overall better health. Sound good? Try Height Boost today.